Alright, it's me, Kevin, Red Living Philippines. I haven't done a construction update in a while. I posted some footage, but it was kind of old. I think it was filmed around Thanksgiving. So here we are, December 17th, almost a month later. I thought I'd just take a quick sweep around. I made some good progress. Slowly but surely getting there. So let's turn the camera around and take a little look around. Okay. So here's the front door. We had these, let me step back, doors put in so we can AC the living room. Some Christmas decoration totes. The railing's pretty much done. It needs painting. The black needs painting. But the stainless is all welded and polished. It's all painted. You got to get the front door replaced. I think we're going to make that into a table. Cut it up, glue it together. Anyhow, there you walk in the front door to this parlor area, and now you're coming into the living room. Mother-in-law's bedroom, our bedroom. This bathroom got renovated. I think I got a snapshot I'll throw in here of what it was while it was being redone. All new tile. So yeah. Got the Christmas tree put up. There's the windows. You saw the video of it tearing that door out and putting the windows in. Here's the dining room where the Hammer Time video was, where they chiseling up the old tile, but we got the door put in. Windows repaired. There's my arcade machine I built in the States. My son has a black one with a neon green trim. I can't find my plexiglass screen. It's painted round, painted and spray painted black around the border. It goes in those slots. Right there, up there, and I have a piece here. I can't find it. When they moved stuff around, it got lost, but the dining room table will go here. There's the breakfast bar. Not done yet. Once they get the bottom done for the kitchen, we'll have the countertop put in, and then the top cabinets are going to be built. So you can see the oven goes there. They're building the oven and microwave cabinet. And the sink will be plumbed in once there's a countertop added. There was one window there. We closed it up and made two little ones. The pantry is all tiled and done. Electrical box is all fixed. You saw it on the other video with wires dangling everywhere, but it's all fixed and labeled, all professional like. Gotta build some shelves in here eventually. So yeah, this is the downstairs. The downstairs is pretty much done except for some a little bit of finishing work in the kitchen. Some painting on the railings. Let's take a look outside. Swap out my slippers here for outdoors ones. So all this tile's done. But they got all the work stuff kicking around. All the tools and things. As you can see, the ceiling's done. I think it needs another coat of paint. Then we got our peanut M&M colored house. I think I should have went with gray on the bottom. And they started So yeah, I got my grill moved over here. They're putting some sod in. Carabao grass, that's all I'm gonna have, nothing fancy. Oh yeah, they're so all the plumbing from the gutters from the outside bathroom and down from the kitchen there, where there's a sink and some wash machines, all goes channeled into this. It's gonna go down that way and out along the fence to the front of the house. Can't wait to get the backyard cleaned up. They don't have the sink in here yet. It's just the toilet right now. The spigot, the sink goes there. Big septic system. Need some painting. That's a new window. The air conditioning. This is the drainage for the bathrooms. The one that I just showed you, and then there's one upstairs above it on the second floor, which is going to get renovated next. So yeah, there's a trench that goes along this fence and the other fence, and they'll meet up in front and go out to the, plummet out to the drainage ditch on the corner. Whoa. And then eventually the yard will get landscaped and cleaned up. My scooter. Alright, so we have this nice big A-frame roof. They're going to replace the gutter, but the wind blows in and rains on that balcony, so we're adding another addition so it comes out further. And then they're going to actually remove that little A-frame and make it just flush all the way across and drop it down there to kind of give it some more shade. And so when it rains, the rain doesn't blow up all over the balcony. You can see up there, there's all kinds of moss and stuff up on that corner. Got all cleaned out. And there's the new drainage, and they're taking all the excess tile and actually putting in the bottom of the drainage. So it's going to go all the way out to the front. Got some karaoke down the street going on, but this gate's going to get replaced. Fence work done, but if you can see down on the corner of the intersection right there, on the left-hand side, there's actually a trench there, and we're going to actually do plumbing. It's about 3 or 4 feet deep over there, so even though we're downhill from it, I did some measuring. I got about a foot of slope between here and there from here, so it should be okay, hopefully. So there's progress. Slowly but surely. I got all new smoke stainless gutters on the bottom floor. Once they put that roof, they'll use it to work and replace that gutter. All the gutter up on the second floor will be replaced with this. Right where I'm standing will be a carport, and this temporary one will come down. So, yeah, karaoke, you gotta love it. Saturday, 17th of December. Alright. Here's where you come in, the front door. We got these new sliding doors, so when we have the AC running, you know, it doesn't blow out up into that balcony up there, because it's not AC'd in the hallway. It's a waste. So you got, you walk in the bedroom area, off to the left and the right. This bathroom's been redone. See if I can dig up an old picture. I think I have one of it like tore down and not built up yet. Done in gray. We're still got to get a cabinet built for that. When the upstairs one, we'll have them both done. So yeah, the hallway to our bedroom. Got them hanging some floating shelves. Couch is set up. The windows are done. The TV's hung. Stereo's set up. It's 7.1. I have some speakers that still need to go on the ceiling. That's coming down tomorrow, the good old Christmas tree. I got my arcade. I can't find out where my glass. I have a plexiglass cover in front of the TV here. And a Gray's arcade sign is supposed to go there. It's plexiglass. It just slides up in the slot and drops down, same as this, but I can't find the plexiglass. Don't have a dining room table yet. I guess I should turn these lights on. There we go. Some lights, some fan. There you go. Table's gonna go where those boxes. We got a lot of boxes now. Trying to unpack stuff. We're getting the coffee bar set up. That still needs some doors. And the adjustable shelves up there, but the bottom's done. Microwave and oven. Stove top. Got the windows. Starting to unpack here. We gotta have some shelves built for the kitchen storage, the pantry. My wife of 35 years. Yeah, the sink needs to be plumbed. Hopefully have drinking water. We got a reverse osmosis system. There. We have a well out back. Still need the covers there. A cabinet right there. Cabinet right there. Oh, it's dark. There's my lights on. There we go. Cabinet right there. Cabinet right there. And then a tall one right here. And one behind the refrigerator. So they still got that. He's supposed to come Tuesday and hopefully finish it.
Yep.
Mother-in-law. So in the downstairs coming along. We got a lot of clutter because we're setting stuff up, but it's getting there. So let's take a little walk upstairs. This is just finishing work down here. They moved the construction upstairs and outside. And they got the new railing. That goes out to the balcony. scaffolding where they're working. Yeah, they're gonna tile the upstairs, finish the bathroom, tile and paint, and then tile down the steps, and it'll be done. Easier said than done. A few more months. Got all their boxes still. Slowly unpacking, getting less. Working on the bathroom. That's the guest bedroom. They used to have a door out to the patio. We decided the rain blows out front, blows under the door and whatnot. The door gets all rotted. We're like, you know what? If you want to go out to the balcony, you just come out of the room and walk out this door. They come out here, we got it. So the rain used to blow on this balcony. It still does, but hopefully they extended it out. Like I said, we're covering up that door. You can put, you know, table and a couple chairs there. Have morning coffee or an evening beer. And here. You got to build a carport down there where that car's at. So yeah, that's the overhang they built. I'll go downstairs and outside and show you. This should keep the rain off it, and it keeps the sun off it. Before it was the roof was so high because it had an A-frame, it would just shine up here, be beaten down, and rain would blow in. They got to have this ceiling painted. The electrical's done. It's got pin lighting. So I'll get an outside shot of what's been going on. Well, we started in August. Here we are in January. So we're like over 4 months in. It's my cat. Shipped it from the States. Hi, kitty. Hey, Pepper. Let's take a little walk out front to get an outside shot of the balcony. They're setting up to play some bingo. It's Saturday, the 7th of January. We do this on Saturdays, Sundays, on any given week.
We'll just take out the bingo card.
All right. So we covered up the ditch plumbing under all the walkways from the bathroom. So we have this one. The gray water, as they call it in the Philippines. Need to paint this. It's been welded and primered. Goes in there and turns the corner. Working their way down the side. Most of it was an open ditch. We're putting grills and covers. They're still working on that. That covers my bathroom, the kitchen, that washroom, the warehouse, as I call it. All that water goes there, and then the two bathrooms in the bedroom areas are in this ditch. They come out there and go, and they're going to go out front and then down the road out to the ditch, out down the road. We're not considered the city here. It was the guy across the street, Angel, is his farmland, but down in the corner there, it's hard to see down that way. Just on the end of his property, there's a street. Oh, I'm up in the air. You can kind of see in the corner there, there's concrete road. That's where the ditch is at, the city drainage. We're going to plumb into that from here. There's the one ditch right there. It is lower here than it is down there, but we did some measurements and you roughly have about a foot drop between that drain and where the bottom of that ditch is. So you got a foot slope to work with between here and there. So it'll work out fine. And there's the extension. Alright, as you can see, the gutters, they're all kind of rusty. They buttoned it up inside. They still haven't done finished the eaves and overhangs back here like this side, but they go through here and they're playing music, of course. They got all nice new smoked stainless gutter here. I think it's 302 stainless. Try and talk over the music because they're always playing loud music here. If you look up there, all these gutters are all rusty. Some of them have holes in the bottom, like up there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's like 4 or 5 places where there are gaping holes in the old galvanized painted gutter. There's a chunk of the old stuff. So there was where they're up to now. They got the new stuff on the front of the house. Get around this stuff. A lot of debris still. Clean this all up when the house is done. Like a little obstacle course. So yeah, as you can see, all the new stuff is done along the front of the house. We got a new overhang. We have our workers over there. Working over there and putting this stuff up. Sorry about the shakiness, I'm walking backwards. There's a nice new gutters. Got a view from over here. Hopefully they don't do a copyright. I don't have to record over all this shit. Yeah, doing a great job. Whoa. And let's step back here into the shade. Flip this camera up. So yeah, Red Living Philippines. Retired everyday living. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave a comment, like us, subscribe. Over and out. Have a good day.